I put the first tip as that. So you have a second tip for us.
Yeah. One of the things that you need to also have on your resume at the top would be a external links section. An external links section that outlines links to your GitHub, your LinkedIn profile. If you've done any type of professional YouTube channels where you talk about professional technological topics and things like that, those external links are a gateway into what your experience is,
it gives us a view. Like we'll click on those.
Right.
Like
yeah.
I go to the extent sometimes if somebody's like, hey, I was lead developer at this website, and they put the website link, I'll go to that website and see how they structure their CSS and stuff. I'm that anal. I'm like, But like those things are helpful. Like your blog can make you stand out. Like a lot of people don't have these things. So if you have them, put it. But does that mean, so I go put my Facebook page on there and stuff like that? No?
No. Facebook, that's a no-no because you don't want prospective employers to go looking into your Facebook, profile, your Facebook page, because a lot of that is personal. It doesn't have anything to do with your professional career, and we all do questionable things on social media, and opinions vary. You may offend somebody that's looking.
Well, so that's the key. Then it's got to be relevant for web development or whatever you're applying for, and that's the important. Don't just put a whole bunch of links you're associated with. Put it stuff we click on. We can learn deeper about your experience. It might separate you from the pack. Oh yeah, that's what we're trying to do.
Yeah, no Facebook, no Instagram, but one of the things I can't stress enough is